Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's now look at number property problem from the official GMAT. Again, medium level difficulty question. So the problem states that you have two consecutive odd integers. So one of those integers is 5, is a multiple of 5, and that is the lowest among the two integers. So now you have to find out among the given options what cannot possibly be the sum of those two odd numbers. So the question doesn't state if both the numbers are positive or the numbers are negative. So apparently, let's look at both the scenarios. So in the first scenario, I'm presuming the values are positive. So it is given that my smaller digit is 5. So since these are two consecutive odd numbers and the smallest number is 5, ideally the largest number should be 7 and the sum of the digits should be 12. Now, uh, the next uh, digit that I can consider is 15. So, why am I not considering 10 here? It's because we are discussing about two consecutive odd integers, and 10 is, despite being a multiple of 5, is not an odd integer. So, the next possible odd integer that we can take, if you are considering both to be positive, is 15. So, if you take the smallest integer as 15 and the largest as 17, then you apparently get the sum to be 32. So the next digit that you can choose is obviously 25, and then the larger digit would be 27. So 25 plus 27 would be 52. So you would get 12, 32, 52, 72, 92 in this order if you consider positive values of multiples of 5. So this is one stream of options. So if you do look at, you can see all those options there. You can see 12 given in the option. You can see 52 given in the option. So those two are apparently ruled out. Now let's consider if the value is negative. So if the value is negative, then the smaller digit is going to be minus 5, which is the multiple of 5. And the largest digit is going to be minus 3. So apparently in when it becomes negative, so the smaller the negative value, the higher is its place in the number system. So if the smaller digit is minus 5, the odd digit next to it, which has a higher value than minus 5, is minus 3. Now, if I take the sum of these two digits, you get minus 8. So on a similar note, the next smaller digit I can consider is minus 15, and the next digit I can consider is minus 13. So the sum is minus 28. So if I go with the negative stream, the values that I would get is minus 8, minus 28, and then again if I go for 25 and 23, it would be minus 48, and so on and so forth. So that is what you can see in the right end. If it is positive, it will be 12, 32, 52, 72, and so on. And if it is negative, it will be minus 8, minus 28, minus 48, minus 68. So looking at the options, you can see whether I consider positive or whether I consider negative. Option 22 is not a possibility under any circumstances. So I can get minus 8. I've seen minus 8 there. I can get 12. I've seen 12. I can get 52. I've seen 52 is a possibility. And 252, if you expand this numbers 12, 32, 52, 72, 92, you would apparently get 252 also as an option. So considering this, 22 is the only number that cannot be summed with the given condition. So the answer is option C, 22.